So we're going to find the derivative for each one of these functions in questions 1, 2, and 3. So in number 1, we've got an exponential function, and we know what to do here. The derivative is the function itself, e to the 3x plus 1, times the derivative of the exponent. So you know what I'm going to do here? I'm just going to make it explicit what I'm going to do. Instead of writing in words the derivative of the exponent, I'll just write it in symbols. Now you can probably skip that step and just do it. But let's see, I'm explaining what to do here. So it's the function itself, 3x plus 1, times the derivative of the exponent, which is just 3. So f prime of x is 3e to the 3x plus 1. In number 2, we've got this pretty basic function, but the derivative is going to be the function itself, e to the 8x, times the derivative of the exponent. I'm just going to write 8 this time. So f prime of x is 8e to the 8x. And just to follow it through again, what we have here is, here's our function, e to the 8x. The derivative is the function itself times the derivative of the exponent. Let's do it again here in number 3. F prime of x is, okay, it's an exponential, so it's the function itself, e to the 2x cubed minus x minus 3, times, now I'm going to describe it again, the derivative of the exponent. You can probably skip this step and just take that derivative, but I'm kind of explaining what I'm doing here. So it's the function itself, e to the 2x cubed minus x minus 3, times, okay, I need parentheses here, the derivative of the exponent. So let's differentiate this polynomial function. We're pretty good at that. So how about 6x squared minus 1? And I'm just going to rewrite it as this quantity. 6x squared minus 1 e to the 2x cubed minus x minus 3. In number 4, polynomial, but now we've got an exponential. So let's just run through these derivatives one term at a time. So how about f prime of x will be, how about 12x squared for the first one, plus a 1 for the second, and then how about this one here? Now, a couple ways to do this. I'll just bring the 3 along, and then I'll differentiate this one, although I could do it all at once. So the derivative here, an exponential, it's the function itself, e to the negative 3x, times the derivative of that exponent. Now, the derivative of this exponent is just negative 3. So let's put it together. Now I see that this 3 and negative 3 are going to multiply. So I actually could have done that. Do you think I could have done it right here? Yeah, so let's rewrite this thing. So it's going to be this. F prime of x is equal to 12x squared plus 1 minus 9e to the negative 3x. That's probably the best I can do with it. Now what I'm thinking too is that I've got a negative exponent, but since I started with a negative exponent, I'm going to end with a negative exponent.